This is LPS Airplane Trip, inspired by LPS Emily. Okay, everyone, the flight will be taking off. Please put your tray tables up and seatbelts on. Thank you.
Zoom, zoom, Speedy Turtle.
What?
Zoom, zoom, Speedy Turtle.
You know what? I just really want some chocolate. Maybe some cake. Flight attendant. Hello, ma'am. What would you like? Hi, my name's Carly, and I would really like some cake and some fish sticks and some mozzarella sticks and some beef and some ham and some bacon.
Oh, isn't it so cool? You're my brother and we're on a plane together. It's so cool.
Hello.
Hi. Do you like breadsticks?
Cool.
Do you like breadsticks?
Cool.
Do you like breadsticks?
Sure.
Sure.
Watching this movie. Sup?
Ma'am, I have a question to ask you.
What?
Would you like to buy my all-new Smack-a-Pan? It's super easy. You smack the pan right on the stove and you can smack people in the face with it. And you know what? I'll throw in a free bagel. What do you say? Would you like to buy that for only $5.99? A Smack-a-Pan and a free bagel.
That's so expensive.
What do you think? Would you like it? Ooh, I'll throw in a free pineapple purse. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh yeah, this is so simple.
What's your name?
I'm sorry, I'm watching a movie.
Then what's your favorite color?
Ooh, I'm watching
After the movie.
Time to watch another movie.
Wow, that's so cool. Did you ever know that a bagel was made out of bread?
I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. Hi, honey. What would you like?
Everything. Just give me a pet dinosaur.
I'm sorry, honey, but I can't get you that.
Come on. Dad, you said you would get me whatever I want always. That's what I want, so get me it.
Jeez. Why did I make her a spoiled brat?
Here, wear this bib. We're about to have lunch. Dad, I am 3. I don't need a bib. Well, you're gonna have to wear a bib to eat. I don't want you getting a mess all over your beautiful dress. I'm not wearing a dress right now, Dad. Well, you wouldn't want to get food all over the first class seats, would you? I bought these first class seats just for you. Yeah, Dad, I know you did, but listen, I don't need a bib, and I don't care if I spill food on the first class seats. The flight attendants will just clean it up. It's not my job. Is it? No, it's not, but honey, you can't. You have to wear your bib. Dad, I'm not. Honey, you got to. No.
What would you like for lunch, kids? Having lunch?
I'll have lasagna and with baby carrots on the side.
I'll have fish and chips.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Okay.
Hello, what would you like for lunch? I would like
Speak up.
can you do for me?
Okay. She wants lasagna and with baby carrots on the side.
Okay, what would you like?
Fish and chips.
And for the mom?
Well, I'm fine.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Come on. I'm a cool dude. I just want to make trouble. Let me out, let me out.
Ah!
Let me out, let me out, let me out. Let me out. Ha, 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 ha.
Where? Oh no. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Try and find me.
What are we gonna do? I don't know. Places around. But that won't be safe. But we need some back.
Come and get me. You'll never get me.
No.
Hey, no running around in the airplane.
If you want to make me stop, you gotta catch me first. Hee hee.
Oh gosh.
Come back here. Stop. Put me down.
You are not allowed to be running around in the airplane. And especially not in the pilot's area. Here you go.
Ah.
Did you know that your hand has deadly bacteria on it, and if you lick it, you might get really sick?
I like cupcakes.
Did you know that in most cupcakes, the frosting on it has a lot of food coloring in it, and it's really bad for you?
I like chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is very unhealthy for you, and sometimes can make you really sick.
Yeah!
And some bacon, and don't forget the eggs, and maybe a breakfast sausage, maybe a breakfast burrito, maybe a taco. This is so cool. We're on an airplane together.
Sup.
How would you like a free fish, free donut, free pineapple bag, free necklace, free phone, free Starbucks, and a Smack-A-Pan for only $5.99?
Another movie time.
What's your
Oh,
favorite
this is
thing?
so cool.
What's your
Oh,
favorite
stop.
thing?
I'm watching a movie. I'm so scared.
Get me a pet dinosaur. I can't get you a pet dinosaur. Also, we're on a plane, and you have to wear your bib.
No!
Thank you so much for ordering my food, Mom.
Okay. I want my fish and chips.
I want to make trouble.
No. Well, I like octopuses.
Octopuses can be very.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
about
This is
a
so
free-
This is so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Okay, everyone. The plane will be landing soon. I hope everyone enjoyed their lunches. Please put your tray tables up and seatbelts on. Thank you. The end. Woo!